The primary factor for long-term self-success is the actual thing is the client's results, achievements, and success. I call it RAS. If the client don't have results, you didn't help. If he doesn't have achievement, you didn't help. If he doesn't have success, you didn't help. But it goes more than that. We must create trust for our clients, and the salesperson must be made aware of those RASes, because it's get done by the delivery department. The CEO seldom hear about the RAS. He hear about the problems. He hear about the Wajah RAS. Wajah RAS in Arabic is the headache. Are you with me? So if the salesperson is not made continuously aware of those RASes, he will not be able to create long-term success. If the salesperson is involved in the delivery, forget about success. If the salesperson is not being sold like any other person, if he's not getting PR, marketing, and sales, if you don't use PR on the salesperson and on everyone internally in the organization, and if you don't market to the salesperson, and if you don't sell the salesperson that he can help, there will be no company. So RAS is the fuel for the salesperson, validation. Yes, you know that success is the sum of all validated improvements. If I'm a salesperson and I want to sell and I want to help and I don't know that I helped and I hear all day long problems, what will happen? Are you with me? But normally small business owner and are the salespeople themselves. So they need to make sure very, very well that they're actually doing good delivery so they don't hear about problems, and they need to handle this specific problem. And that's why we're going to learn how and set an honor that he is the business owner, that he is the salesperson. How does he protect himself from this bad news?